we do ski this part of the mountain in the wintertime. This is the north face over here.
No, it's a little too steep.
This is the double black diamond area. Yeah. Well, all this vegetation pretty much, except some of these taller evergreens aren't, but most of this other vegetation is all buried in snow. So there is a lot of territory to cover. You know, you don't necessarily have to go straight down the fall line.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Look at those people. Yeah, I'm not doing that because you gotta go back up it.
Yeah, the switchbacks.
Yeah.
Okay, folks, when we go past this tower, our cabin's just going to swing here for just a little second.
Whee!
Do these switchbacks go all the way down to the bottom, or do you have to come back up and take the tram?
Oh no, you can walk all the way up from the bottom, or walk all the way down from the top if you want. Yeah, this trail goes all the way from the bottom.
We could walk all the way down.
We could, but we probably won't. Right.
As long as I don't have to go back up, I'm okay.